In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Stremio. To get started, open Stremio on your computer and let the app load fully so everything is visible and responsive. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This will open a menu where you can access your account-related options. From that menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings area, scroll down until you reach the Streaming section. This is where Stremio keeps several playback and performance-related options. In that section, locate the caching settings. Before changing anything, take a moment to review the current cache configuration so you know how the app is currently handling temporary files and stored media data. If your version of Stremio includes a clear cache option, click it. In some versions, this may appear directly in the caching area, while in others, it may be labeled slightly differently. If a confirmation message appears, go ahead and confirm that you want to clear the cache. This is a normal step meant to prevent accidental removal of temporary data. Now wait while Stremio removes the cached files. Depending on how much temporary data has built up, this may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, close Stremio completely rather than just minimizing it. This helps ensure the changes are properly applied. After that, reopen Stremio and let it load again. Check that posters, thumbnails, and other content images reload correctly. This is a good sign that the old cached data has been removed and fresh content is being pulled in. Next, open a movie or TV show and verify that everything is working normally. If you'd like, return to Settings and look again at the cache-related preferences. Review the cache size settings if that option is available in your version of the app. Adjust them only if needed, based on how much storage space you want Stremio to use. If you make any changes in the streaming settings, be sure to save them. Once that's done, refresh your library and content catalogs so the app can update what it displays. Then test playback on a title of your choice. Watch for smoother loading, updated artwork, and improved responsiveness while browsing. Finally, confirm whether browsing and loading times have improved. If everything looks good, you can continue using Stremio with the refreshed cache settings. Thanks for watching.